Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can create a good knowledge base for your Elevenlabs AI agent, right? As you can see, we are into Elevenlabs. Previously we have learned how to create an account on Elevenlabs, and then we have learned how to create an AI agent for telecalling or telecommunication operation, right, for your sales purpose, right? Now we are just going to learn how to create knowledge base for your AI agent, so that if any lead asks any questions to your AI agent, then your AI agent can simply and easily answer those questions relevant to your business. So first of all, you need to train your AI agent about your business so that he or she can answer the questions of lead easily, right? So for that we are going to create the knowledge base. So as you can see, we are into the dashboard right now, and here we have an option of agents, right? You can simply go to agents, and as you can see, there are two agents getting displayed, and this one was for the trial version, right? So I'm going to delete this first. Okay, delete this agent. Okay, now we are only having this single agent, right? This is the correct one. So we are going to click on it, and as soon as we click on it, right now this particular agent is live, right? And there is an option of agent, workflow, branches, and knowledge base. You just need to go to the knowledge base, right? And here you can simply add document in the URL format as well, right? So first of all, I'm just entering the URL over here so that Elevenlabs can send the crawlers on my website, and crawlers can consume the data present on the website, so that if anyone asks any question to the AI agent and that particular content is on present on my website, then my AI agent can simply answer those questions, right? So you can simply type the website link. Sir, I don't have a website. No issues, it's not necessary to add the website in the knowledge base, right? You can also add the site map or whole website, and you can also set the limit of the auto refresh, like on of how much time period the robot should crawl your website regularly, right? So you can simply click on add URL then, and your website have been added successfully, right? And now you can simply go to add document again, and here you can see there are two more options, like you can also add txt document, or you can simply create a new text. So we are going to click on create text, and here I'm just entering the information about tutor, right? And here you can simply paste the text content, right? So you can write about the tutor information as well. So I'm using chat gpt so that it can write more detailed version of the tutor information, right? I am Avinash Parikh, and I have done BTech and MBA in marketing, BTech in mechanical engineering. Sir, how come in the computer field? I have also worked for SDFC Bank for 3 years as a manager, and then I have worked for Angel Broking, Angel One, formerly known as Angel Broking, right, for Mumbai headquarters, for 2 years as digital marketing manager, influencer relations department. I have overall digital marketing exposure of 10 plus years and have trained more than 2000 plus students with teaching experience of 10,000 plus hours. So you can write about you or your business, right? So kindly write about me in the same language in which you want your agent to speak, right? So it have given content to me in the English language, and now I'm just translating it because my agent will speak English, right? If you have created the agent in other language like Gujarati or Spanish or Greek, you can simply add the content in the same language and you can simply click on create text. So if anybody, any lead asks any question related to the tutor or trainer, right, then the AI agent is going to provide information from here. Sir, is AI agent going to give the address, permanent address of your particular tutor or the personal phone number? No, until and unless you train the AI agent or you provide any knowledge about the tutor to the knowledge base, right, it will only provide those information which it have, right? Else it is not going to scrap the Google or internet to provide the details much more about you, right? So whatever the details you provide it over here, the AI agent will talk around on those details only, right? You can also delete the knowledge base document from here easily. If you want to learn more about the AI agent, then kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch our upcoming videos. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.